Yo, I'm gonna share the secrets with you that are gonna stop you from being ugly. A lot of times, it's the stuff that you do on a daily basis that's deteriorating your physical appearance. I'm gonna give you a great one. Cut sugary drinks. See, you're not thinking about this, but every time you're chugging down all those Gatorades when you're not even athletic, or you're taking the juices or the sodas, anything that has high amounts of sugar is an easy way to be in a caloric surplus. This gets you to start retaining fat, you start getting bigger, clothes doesn't fit, and now you start to feel uncomfortable. Your confidence is on the floor, all because of a little habit that you think, oh, this is no problem. I need something to put down the food, without understanding that you're quite literally drinking your calories. You're drinking a surplus of calories that your body doesn't need. The easiest secret you can do to remain athletic, remain fit, is cut out sugary drinks and replace them with water. Shoot, I'm not even telling you to change your whole diet. Cut out the juices, the Gatorades that you don't need, and drink water. 2, stop hair loss early. Look, for most of you, you got like 2-3 years max on that hairline, which means you need to do something about it now. You want it to look as good as it looks now. By the time you're 25, 30, and that thing starts receding, it looks like you're a middle-aged man, bro. Picking up girls is gonna become increasingly harder, so I want you to do something about it early. See, the thing with hair loss that most men still don't understand is that the earlier you start, the better. 2 in 3 men will experience hair loss by the time they hit their 30s. This is just facts, which means most of you watching need to start now. As soon as you start seeing your hair coming down, maybe your hairline starting to push back a little bit, maybe your hair starting to look thinner, that's when you take action. That's when you go somewhere to like our sponsor Keeps, where they've revolutionized the process for men to stop hair loss, and now you do it from the comfort of your home. Before, you had to go to the doctor, you scheduled the visit, you do the waiting rooms, you had the conversation, then you had to go to the pharmacy and pick up the meds. None of that. With Keeps, you do everything from the comfort of your home. Once you sign up with the link down below, you get to schedule a consultation with a U.S. licensed physician who's going to take a look at your case, and then they're going to prescribe to you the only 2 generic FDA-approved medications that have been clinically proven to stop hair loss, and in even some cases, regrow some of that lost hair. But that's the key. When you start early, you get to stop hair loss early, and you get to keep more of it. Most of you try to stop the hair loss when you're 40, 45, 50, and at that point, it's an uphill battle. Make your life easier. Keep your hair today. Yo, click that link down below. If you're noticing hair loss already with yourself or your buddy or your uncle, your dad, or anybody around you, hook them up, bro. Hook yourself up. Click that link down below. Go to keeps.com/TMF. There's going to be a limited time offer where you can sign up, get a significant discount, and start keeping your hair. If you guys want to check it out, click that link down below. Number 3, check your testosterone levels. See, if you're always feeling stressed, depressed, unmotivated, no drive, no sex drive, if you notice it's hard for you to pack on muscles, these are telltale signs you might be experiencing low test. See, for a man, it's a secret that most don't understand. That hormone, it's like our attractive juice. The more test your body produces, the more confident you feel, the more motivated you are, the better your body looks because it can grow more muscle. You become more athletic. Testosterone is our secret juice, and most of you might be deficient on it. So a good thing to do is do an at-home test. There's a bunch of them you can find online, and these at-home tests, again, are private. You can easily see where you are with your testosterone levels and then take action. My first recommendation, obviously, try natural stuff, right? There's a lot of natural steps you can do to naturally boost your testosterone, like going to the gym, like eating healthy, like sleeping better. Those 3 right there are scientifically proven to boost it, which correlates to number 4, reduce your stress. Again, another secret most don't realize are making you ugly. The more stressed you are, the higher cortisol levels you start to produce, which is the hormone that causes you to feel stress and anxiety and depression. When you have that high, your mood goes down, your confidence goes down, and also that hormone impedes the production of testosterone. So even your testosterone levels go down. This also doesn't allow you to sleep right at night because you're up all night, stressed out, or full of anxiety. All these compound to ruining your appearance and who you are as a person, your confidence, your character. What you need to find is stuff to de-stress you. Look, some of the best things that I do, for example, for myself, that I recommend, running. I love long runs. Long runs, it's almost like you forget about all your problems, and the only problem you're facing is getting that next foot across, getting that next mile, that next half mile. And it builds a lot of mental toughness, a lot of resilience that you can then translate in life. The gym is another great spot for me to de-stress. Another one is the sauna. The sauna is amazing. You go in there for 30 minutes. And if you're really feeling challenged, go in there for an hour. Put that thing at 180, 190 degrees and just sweat it out. Just breathe. Just focus on surviving. Those, great for de-stressing. 5, protect your skin. This is another one similar to hair loss where most men don't realize we have a competitive advantage. Over women, we are the superior race when it comes to skin. Our skin is 25 or 24% thicker than women's. We're more resilient, and it's because we're built to work outside. We're obviously and all that stuff, hunters, gatherers, yada, yada, yada. Use that competitive advantage. The problem is that most of you don't take care of your skin, women do, and they end up looking better than us, beating us at our own competitive advantage just because you don't take care of your skin. And all that damage you're taking from the sun and from all exterior factors is deteriorating your skin, causing premature wrinkles, causing discoloration, causing acne. You need to start protecting your skin. Sunblock is the best thing you can add to your daily routine that I promise you, 5-10 years from now, you're going to thank me for just how young you're going to look. Number 6, stay hydrated, both externally and internally. When I say stay hydrated, I'm not just saying drink water. Yes, drink a lot of water. Make sure you're getting those electrolytes. But more importantly also, stay hydrated on the outside. Make sure you're using a body lotion, you're using a face moisturizer. You use these two in combination, your skin will look flawless. Finally, number 7, go for a walk. You have to understand that vitamin D is essential for a few things, but the most important thing is energy and testosterone production. This is why when you're inside cooped up all day working or whatever, or you're just lazing in bed, you feel groggy, you feel almost messed up. You need to take a break, go outside, go for a 10-minute walk, get that natural vitamin D, get that natural energy boost, get the testosterone production boosting, and more importantly, you look more attractive. Getting a little bit of vitamin D gives you a nice light tan, especially if you do it every day. That tan, it makes your skin glow. It makes your skin look a little bit better instead of all pasty and white because you've been locked up all day.